Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Chimikova, that Igbo girl that keeps winning every day. And today I have this tutorial for you. I know you guys will be like, oh, it's long, I dropped a tutorial. Yes, I've been so busy, guys, but I just need to be consistent these days. So guys, I'm dropping this tutorial for you, and this tutorial, it is, you can see, if you see my muse, like, she looks like a black American. If you want to see what a black American looks like, just watch this video from start to finish and you see the transformation I made. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So guys, catch you. So guys, I'll be starting by using my Mabrook eye pencil to outline her eyebrows. So when outlining my brows, you know, I take it bit by bit, one step at a time. I don't rush eyebrow processes. You don't rush your eyebrow, you just take your time, because eyebrow, to me, I feel is the hardest part of the makeup, so you need to give it all your time and all your best. So I'll outline the bottom part of the eyebrow and the top part of the eyebrow. And I'll make sure that the tips, the tail of the eyebrow, looks very, very slim. It makes the eyebrow look more professional and more trendy. So I'll just use my pencil to put like stroke like hair. Don't mind my baby, she's talking in the background. So I just put stroke like hair, and I now went into using my blot eyebrow setting gel in the shade light toffee. So after that, I'll be concealing my eyebrow. So for concealing my brow, I use a Ferrari concealer. I'm using a light shade for now. So this Ferrari concealer is a concealer palette. It's quite pricey. It's not a cheap concealer, but it's worth the money, because when you buy it, it can last for more than 5 years. This one I'm using, I bought it in 2016, and I'm still using it till date, although it's almost finished. So guys, I'll use a darker shade to clean up the bottom part of the eyebrow. That's the beginning part, the head of the brow. So now I'm just using her shade of concealer to clean up the top part of her eyebrows with this angle brush. And it's very, very important for you to use an exact shade, because if you don't use an exact shade, you may have harsh lines at the end of the makeup without having harsh lines. So it's very, very important for you to use her exact shade for cleaning up the top of the eyebrow. So guys, I'm just setting the bottom part of the brow with my setting powder. My Sasha setting powder. I'm just setting the bottom part of the eyebrows to make it very, very neat and easy for me to work with. Because I'll be applying my pigment glue right now. So the pigment glue I'm using is Elf glitter primer. I use it for my pigment, so I just placed it at the eyelid. Now I'm applying my pigment directly on the eyelid as well. So guys, this is like the shortest way to apply your pigment. Like, if you don't want to go through the process of putting eyeshadow or cutting crease, putting eyeshadow primer, putting eyeshadow before the pigment, with this glue you can just apply direct. Once you put your Elf glitter glue, you can just apply direct, guys, and it's very, very simple, very, very simple. So I'm just trying to blend out any harsh line with my powder. just to make sure it's very, very clean. So now I'm fixing my false lash using this beautiful lash from Kaima Lashes. So after that, I need to clean up the fallout from the glitters, from the pigment, and make sure the face is very, very clean. Then I apply my face primer. So right now I'm applying Avo foundation to her face. So this is Avo foundation, guys. This foundation is a must have. Like, the coverage is so good. Like, you need this foundation in your life. And for my highlights, I'm using this Nobam Beauty concealer for my highlight. So guys, I'm just blaming my highlighted areas. And guys, I forgot my video wasn't recording at this point, so I lost a lot of videos in this process, like when I was applying my powder, my blush, my contour. So please just pardon me. It's one of those things we see as YouTubers, but this video is just like the eye process is a must